Hi learners! Welcome to our Learning Math series. My name is Coach MJ and I'm from Tula and tutor ko. Sa video natin ngayon, pag-aaralan natin kung ano ang checking for proportion. Ano kaya to? Sige, simulan natin. Imagine this. Your parents are both a plant tita and a plant tito. Si mommy may 2 herbal plants and 4 na flowers. Si daddy naman ay may 3 herbal plants and 6 na flowers. Hindi sila parehas ng bilang ng halaman, so mahirap ikumpara. Kaya, let's turn them into a ratio. Remember, a ratio shows the relationship between two things. In this case, what is the relationship between the two kinds of plants? Mommy has 2 herbs is to 4 flowers. Daddy has 3 herbs is to 6 flowers. In other words, 2 is to 4 at 3 is to 6. Ang tanong natin ngayon ay, are their plants proportional? Para masagot natin, kailangang intindihin muna natin ano nga ba ang ibig sabihin ng proportion. Proportion, it is 2 ratios that are equivalent. This means that they have the same value. So today, we will learn how to check for proportion by answering this question. Here are the steps. Step 1. Write the ratios in simplest form. Let's start with the first ratio, 2 is to 4. Remember, there are 3 tips to simplify ratios. Tip number 1, divide both numbers by 2 if both are even. In the ratio 2 is to 4, both numbers are even, so we can divide them by 2. Let's start with 2. 2 divided by 2 is equal to 1. Next, let's divide 4. 4 divided by 2 is equal to 2. This makes our new ratio 1 is to 2. Now, let's simplify 3 is to 6. Both numbers are not even anymore, so tip number 1 won't apply. Let's check tip number 2. Divide both numbers by the smaller number. The smaller number is 3 and we can definitely divide both numbers by it. Let's start with 3. 3 divided by 3 is 1. Next, let's divide 6. 6 divided by 3 is 2. So the new ratio is 1 is to 2. We've simplified both ratios already. But in case you encounter an example where both tips do not apply, remember that there's still a third one. Tip number 3, divide both numbers by the common factor. Now, let's proceed to step number 2. If the ratios are the same, they are proportional. So, are 1 is to 2 and 1 is to 2 the same? Yes, they are. The ratios are the same. So kung babalikan natin ang tanong kanina, are their plants proportional? Yes, their plants are proportional dahil parehas silang 1 is to 2 kapag sinimplify. Tara, subukan natin ang bago nating natutunan. Ang init ngayong araw. Gusto mong gumawa ng malamig na inumin. Meron kang 2 pieces of lemons at sa 2 lemons na yon, kailangan mo ng 12 cups of water. So the ratio of lemons to water is 2 is to 12. Meron ka ring 18 na kalamansi or lime. Sa 18 na kalamansi, kailangan mo ng 3 cups of water. So ang ratio of cups of water to lime ay 3 is to 18. So the question is, are 2 is to 12 and 3 is to 18 proportional? You can pause this video so you can solve on your own. Then you can just press play again to see the correct answer. Remember to practice integrity and try on your own. Yes, this is the correct answer. When simplified, they are both 1 is to 6. So 2 is to 12 and 3 is to 18 are proportional. Good job! You finished watching our video about checking for proportion from the Learning Math series. May natutunan ka ba? Gusto mo pang mag-level up? Click that bell button below to subscribe so you'll get notified of new videos. Pwede mo ring puntahan ang YouTube channel namin. Happy learning!